Here I've got Poptel P8, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So we've got two methods. Let's start with the first one. So at first you have to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound, 06 pound. And that's it. As you can see, both your IMEI numbers are in front of you. Click on OK to go back. And now you'll open both IMEI numbers and also serial number through the settings. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on System. Then click on About Phone, so it is the last tab. Go to Status. And here you will notice IMEI information. Simply click on it to open. And both IMEI numbers are here, and then a bit lower you can find a serial number assigned to your device. So that would be all. This is how you can find both unique numbers assigned to your Poptel P8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.